A heartfelt thank you. My name is Sheikh Mohamed. It was a great pleasure for me to attend the well-organized event marking my farewell, welcoming, and inauguration ceremony, hosted by the new members of the Management Committee of the Somali Ethnic Communities Council, SECC, led by Nurdin Tanaas. From the bottom of my heart, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the amazing team, the members of the SECC Management Committee, Hassan, Sydney, Sheikh Mohamed, Sharif, Abdisalam, and Dahir. Thank you for your trust in me and for working alongside me with such dedication and commitment. It was an honor to serve as the chairperson of the Management Committee, and your unwavering support made it possible for us to reach our shared goals. May Allah reward you abundantly and bless you and your families with health, happiness, and success. I would like to extend my sincere appreciation to the members of the Somali Southwest community and other Somali communities in Melbourne for their unwavering support, understanding, and collaboration over the past 2 decades. Your encouragement and partnership have been instrumental to the success of our volunteer services. We are truly grateful for the trust, solidarity, and sense of unity you have shown throughout this journey. Your continued support has been a cornerstone of our efforts, and we deeply value the strong relationships we have built together. Finally, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the new members of the Management Committee of the Somali Ethnic Communities Council for volunteering to serve our community. I wish you all success, and may Allah make it easy for you as you undertake this valuable service for the sake of our community. Thank you, with heartfelt appreciation, Sheikh Mohamed. Here, I would like to share with you a comment by Abdisalam Sheikh Hamid, a biddy on my Facebook page. As you step down from your role, we extend our deepest gratitude for the extraordinary leadership you've shown. I had the privilege of attending your farewell and inauguration last night, and it was truly moving to hear so many voices from our Somali community echo the same sentiment. You've been more than a leader, you've been a steady hand, a wise guide, and a source of inspiration to us all. Your commitment has left a legacy that will continue to shape our community for years to come. You led with heart, integrity, and vision, always putting people first and lifting others to lead alongside you. You've shown us what it means to serve with humility and purpose. As you pass the torch to the next generation, we honor not only your achievements but also the way you've prepared others to carry the mission forward. It takes courage and generosity to step aside and make space for new voices, and you've done so with remarkable grace. Though your formal role has come to an end, your influence remains deeply woven into the fabric of our community. May this next chapter bring you joy, rest, and the deep satisfaction of knowing your legacy is in good hands. Thank you, Dahir, for everything. Dear Abdisalam Sheikh Hamid Abdi, your words truly touched my heart and soul. I deeply appreciate your kindness and heartfelt prayers. May Allah bless you abundantly, protect you and your loved ones, and grant you success in both this life and the next. Ameen. Your support means more than words can express. Always wishing you the very best as well. Thank you so much, Sheikh Mohamed.